forest, and it is interesting. A bunch of monkeys are like fighting each other, and it's very weird, very funny, and a little bit like, oh, we're a little too close to this violent action that's going on. It's really funny to see other monkeys interacting with that, because like this guy right here, just chilling, watching the fun, and all these other monkeys are like getting in on it. I don't know. This is monkey forest.
What's going on?
Monkey forest in Ubud. It's cool. It's like $5 a piece basically to get in here for adults, $4 for children, and it's very touristy. But it's one of those things where you kind of have to go see the monkeys, I guess. So we left the monkey forest now. We stopped in the coffee shop to get some AC and get some coffee. I got iced coffee. I don't know if Rachel got some coffee drinks clean. I don't know, they look pretty good. Pretty big for what they were. It's like maybe $3 or $4 piece, maybe? I don't know. I'm not exactly sure. They look pretty good. Check them out. What'd you get?
Caffeine and what's it called?
Drink some coffee. So on our way back to the house, or villa, or whatever it is now, to relax, see if we can run a motorbike, and also to see if we can, or check the weather and just relax for a minute, because walking to Monkey Forest was really hot, sunny, and we're kind of a little exhausted, drained from that, so we're gonna go back, chill for a minute, recover for a second, see if we can get a motorbike, and then try to go find some temples or waterfalls or something. I'll let you guys know. I'll see you in a little bit. So we're at the Talingen, something like that. I will put it underneath what is actually called, the name of it. Village Waterfall. Here, about 20 minutes, I think, south of Bali. Or not south of Bali, south of Ubud in Bali. And this thing's sweet. But you can only go so far because they have flagged it off where you can't get into the water underneath, because it is after all, a Russian waterfall. Check this thing out. So we made it, but they're saying it's closed now, which I don't believe, because the sign up there says 6:30 and it's 5:30 now. They won't let us go on that side of the bridge. But we're going to go on this little bridge right here and see what happens. Well, we made it. My lens is all gunked up now. It's all misty. So, I don't know if you can see behind me. It's really cool. I wish you could get in the water, but apparently, like, some people die here or something. I don't know. Rachel's over there. What do you think?
Yeah. I don't like that we weren't allowed to go on the other side. We had to, it was closed.
Yeah,
It doesn't make any sense. Why can we stand right here and not stand over there?
Yeah.
The only thing is we have to cross a little bridge.
Yeah, even though 6:30 is what the sign said up there, and it's 5:30.
Yeah.
Yep. So
I don't know if it's because maybe the water is a little rafty, that's not the word.
that could be it.
A little rough, so, and it is like a 2-lane or a 2-foot, I don't know, little thing you have to cross.
That could be it.
So they're probably like, liability.
I don't know.
That's still pretty cool.
Cheese. Done here, heading out now, heading back to the bike, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do next. Might find another waterfall, do not know yet.